Isang income, tatlong anak, kaya ba? Dito sa case na to guys, yung father is an employee, the mother is a housewife, no? Three children sila with a monthly net income of 30,000 pesos. May sariling bahay at walang monthly rent. So yung kanilang monthly family budget for the food that is 15,000 pesos kasama ang bigas, pang-ulam, tinapay, snacks, school baon, no? Kung saan 500 pesos per day times 30 days, that is 15,000 pesos. So, ang tip lang is mag-meal plan at grocery list para mas kontrolado ang food expenses. Electricity and water, that is 3,000 pesos. Electricity, 2,300. Water, 700 pesos. Remember, bantayan ang paggamit ng kuryente at tubig para hindi na magpas sa budget. School expenses is 3,000 kasama ang baon, school supplies, project. Remember, biglaan ng regular budget para hindi mabigla kapag may mga school-related expenses. Transportation and work allowance, that is 3,500 pesos kasama ang pamasahe, work meal allowance, and basic transportation expenses. Remember, mag-set ng daily spending limit para mas madaling kontrolin ang budget. Load is 500 pesos para sa mobile load, calls, text, or mobile data. Remember, pumili ng promo na pasok sa usage. Household expenses is 3,000 pesos kasama ang LPG, laundry, cleaning supplies, toiletries, and household supplies. Remember, gumawa ng listahan bago mamili para maiwasan ang unnecessary purchases. Clothing and personal expenses, let's say 1,000 pesos kasama ang damit, haircut, and basic personal care. Hindi kailangan gastusin ang buong budget bawat buwan. Pwede tayong magtabi kapag walang immediate need. Savings and emergency fund, let's say 1,000 pesos. So, yung 1,000 pesos, automatic na tinatabi bawat buwan. Tapos, yung 50% ng 13th month pay mo, ang ginagawa ding emergency fund. So, remember, kahit maliit ang amount, importante ang consistency. Lalo na dahil isang income lang ang pinagkukunin ng pamilya. That's all, and thank you so much for watching.